Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to Reviews of Moose. We're talking about record shipping timing from Boston Skelly. I ordered this cap last Friday, and I received it today, Monday, and never had it that fast before. I don't know what they changed with their shipping, but I love it. And this cap here is a special cap. It is a limited release of a hockey type influence called the Goon. And just so you guys know, I'm a big hockey fan. Growing up in Detroit, huge Red Wing fan. And I'm going to go over my top 5 Goons of all time. Well, actually, it's going to be top 7 because 3 of them are brothers. So we're going to start off at number 5, 6, and 7 are the Hanson brothers from the movie Slapshot. You can see their picture there. Next run is Ross the Boss Rhea from the movie Goon. And the third one is Doug the Thug Glatt from also the movie Goon. All these guys are going to be pictured here. If you haven't seen the movie Goon, I do recommend it. It's kind of a feel-good story kind of way. All right, now we're going to go to the real hockey players. Growing up in Detroit, there was always one game we looked to. And number 2 on this list is Ty Domi. That guy could fight, and I loved going to the games because I knew who he was going to fight, and that's going to be my number 1 of my favorite Goon of all time, and that's Bob Probert. Rest in peace, Bob. And I'll tell you what, Bob Probert was fun to watch. Had no fear. I remember back in the day after he got released because they found the cocaine in his underwear when he was trying to cross the border in Canada. His first game back after the suspension, in the middle of the national anthem, there were people, I was actually at the game, and people were screaming, Proby! Proby! During the national anthem. Not even 5 minutes into the game, he's on the ice, he gets in his first fight, crowd goes nuts. But yeah, that's my Goon. He's my number 1 Goon. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Looking good. I like what I see. I only got the 1 pin. I didn't get the hockey sticks. I just got the Goon logo. And let's go ahead and get that Goon logo pin up and running here as soon as I get it out of my hand here. And here it is. Here is the Goon pin. Looks pretty good. And then now for the cap. This is St. Patty's Day today, so I will have the green on so I won't get pinched. But yep, I got a medium large. This is the Goon. If you are any kind of Philadelphia fan or Iowa fan or anything that has the black and yellow, this cap is for you. I definitely see a lot of people with the Bruins, not the Eagles, the Steelers. Yeah, these are all those colors. Looks great. Of course, you got the Goon logo on the inside. Medium large, Boston Skelly. Single panel caps, which is my favorite kind of cap. Let's go ahead and put the Goon pin on there already. Just great idea by Boston Skelly to do a Goon series. Pretty cool. Our Goon hat. And there it is with the pin. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, show you guys a close-up, and then I'll come back to try it on. All right, so here's a close-up of the Goon. You said those black and yellows. Great-looking cap. How about that? They did a great job on this logo. Missing teeth. He's even got the little flat panel cap on there. Great job, Boston Skelly. This is pretty cool. One thing is, this does have the vinyl, so if you do have a bald head like me, it will stick when you get a little warm. He's got a black eye. Look at his black eye. He got a shiner. All right, but this is the Goon. Great looking cap. I'm going to go back to my regular review. I'll be right back. All right, so now it is the time to try it on. Oh, yep. Single panel caps are really starting to be my thing with Boston Skelly. Again, the Goon. Nice looking cap. I really do like this. Like I said, record shipping. 2 days. Basically Friday, and it was delivered Monday. I don't know what they got in their shipping department lately, but it's good on my go. All right, again, this is Reviews Moose. This is the Goon. And let me know who you guys' favorite Goon of all time was. I know there's a few others on there. Joey Kosher, he was also a Red Wing for a while. There's just so many goons, but Bob Probert being my favorite. Go Proby. I remember getting a shirt when I was probably 14, 15 years old, and it said, "Give blood, fight Probert." And yeah. But yeah, great memories, great cap. Everybody have a wonderful day. Thanks for tuning in. Reviews of Moose, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.